Hi, welcome to Guindy Children's Park, a haven of fun and learning for kids in the heart of Chennai, located within the Guindy National Park. This children's park is a must-visit destination for families and kids of all ages. At the entrance, huge dinosaurs idol attracts kids. A number of deers are kept in the mist shelter and they are a great show to us. We have seen many variety of deers like spotted deer and sambar deer also. This park now has a double dome 3000 square feet aviary where birds can fly as high as 50 feet. Kids are very delighted as watching grey pelican, painted stork, white ibis, grey heron, spoonbill and night heron. A beautiful artificial waterfalls also inside the aviary. Watch the white peacock. The playground is a kids' paradise with a variety of swings, slides and climbing structures. Kids like the huge elephant statues very much and take photos. The Muscovy ducks, rare breed varieties, are also here. In the ostrich section, kids are very delighted to see the number of big ostriches. The park's semi-arid climate and grasslands provide an ideal habitat for these majestic birds. In this park, we see a number of emus, colorful parrots and barn owls also. In the reptile section, we see tortoises. See the slow walk of a tortoise. See the big crocodiles lie down inside the mist shelter. Guindy Children's Park is a must-visit destination for kids and families with its unique blend of entertainment, education and adventure. The park offers something for everyone.
Thank you for watching.